Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to use the shape tools. So let's get started. So you can find the shape tools on the toolbar under the rectangle tool. So you press down and then you will see all these other shape tools like the rectangle, the rounded rectangle, the ellipse, the polygonal, the star tool, and all that. So first, let's select the rectangle tool. So you select it, you click and drag to draw your rectangle like that, just like that. If you want to draw a perfect square, hold down Shift and then draw your perfect square like that. Then if you want to resize, you hold the corners of your shape and resize it like that. And if you want to do a uniform resize, hold the Shift key and then resize it. I'm also going to resize my square uniformly by holding the Shift key and resizing it like that. So let's go to the ellipse tool. Hold down, choose the ellipse tool, and let us draw it. Drag and draw it like that. If you want to draw a perfect circle, hold Shift and then draw your perfect circle just like that. Yeah, if you want to resize them, you do the same thing like we did for the square and the rectangle. So I've resized them uniformly. I've held down Shift. So let's go to the polygonal tool. The polygonal tool can be used to draw different shapes like a triangle, pentagon, hexagon, among others. So when you're drawing the triangle, you're going to click on the polygonal tool, hold down your cursor, then go to the down arrow of your keyboard and press as you're holding down your cursor until you see a triangle formed. So that is what I'm trying to do right here. I'm holding down my cursor as I'm pressing the down arrow of my keyboard. So let me rotate it so that it's perfect. So I'm going to do the same with the other shape, the hexagon. I'm going to hold down my mouse. As I'm dragging, I'm going to click the up arrow of my keyboard to make a hexagon with five sides. So that is it. It's the same thing I'm going to do with the other shape. Yeah, so I did the same thing like I did with the other shapes. I held down my mouse and clicked on the up arrow until I got the exact sides that I wanted. So let's go to the star tool. The same thing I did for polygon shapes is the same thing that I do for the stars. So if you want like many corners, you're going to hold down your mouse, and as you drag, you press either the up arrow or the down arrow depending on the corners that you want. So I'm going to speed up the process since it's the same thing we did with the polygonal tool. And I hope you do some practice so that you become better at using these tools. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on other videos. Bye!